Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing the follow-up questions for the Q card. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a drawing or painting you like. So the first question is, what are the differences between painting and drawing? Well, when I think about it, painting usually involves applying color with brushes on a canvas, while drawing is more about creating images on paper. The second question is, why do some people keep a painting for a long time? People often keep a painting for a long time because it holds sentimental value. Sentimental value means emotional value, something that you have emotions or memories connected with, or serves as a meaningful reminder of a particular moment or emotion. It's like having a visual memorabilia. So, memorabilia means something that is quite memorable, something that you will cherish for a long, long time. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. The third question is, how does building style affect people's lives? According to me, building style can impact people's lives by influencing their surroundings and creating a certain atmosphere. For example, open and green spaces might promote a sense of community, while cramped urban layouts can lead to a more hectic lifestyle. So, cramped means crowded, urban means city, and hectic means very busy. So obviously, if you have more open spaces, you have lush green surroundings as you see in villages and remote areas, people in those areas, people who are living in those areas, they share a sense of bonding between them, right? Whereas in cities, everyone is so busy that they do not even know who their neighbors are. So that's what we are trying to say here by using some better vocabulary words and phrases. But in simple language, it means what I just explained. Also, this reminds me that we are also posting videos on our channel about recent IELTS Task 2 writing topics that are coming up in the exams. So you can check out those videos. Literally, all the points that you can use for an essay like agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage, whatever topic is coming in the exam are discussed really thoroughly in the video, giving you like a band 9 answer template. Alright, so the fourth question is, should children learn to draw and paint? Why? Yes, definitely. I think it is very important for kids to learn how to draw and paint. So, kids is a synonym for children. So, we avoided using the word that was already in the question, and this will increase our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. It helps with creativity, self expression, and fine motor skills. Motor skills means something that increases your intelligence or something that is good for your brain development or concentration. Additionally, it's just a fun way for them to explore their imagination. Now, the fifth question is, how do young people share arts with others? Many young folks, including myself, often share their art through social media, art exhibitions, or collaborative projects. It's all about connecting with others and showcasing their creative expressions. So these days, it's very common for people to share their artwork or their creativity through social media platforms, maybe Facebook or Instagram or even WhatsApp. Whereas some other ways or traditional ways that are still in existence are exhibitions. A lot of people do participate in exhibitions to display their creative work. So that's what we are trying to tell you in this answer. The sixth and the last question is, do you think the objects we use in our daily lives should be beautifully designed? Absolutely. The design of everyday objects matters. Well designed things can enhance functionality and aesthetics, making daily life more enjoyable. So, aesthetics means something that enhances or improves the beauty. So, for example, when we go to a good restaurant, we always lay stress on the ambience, and that's what improves the experience of dining at that particular restaurant, right? So, similarly, if we are using daily objects, say for example, you have an old painting in your house, however, if you add a new or a modern frame to it, that makes the painting more lively, and you want to see that painting more and more, which you were not trying to do it before. So, that's what we are trying to say here, that yes, they should be beautifully and elegantly designed so that we can enjoy things more in our daily life. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.